A quick video today. I'll be giving you an update on the DIY air conditioner bracket that I used to save the vinyl windows and an update on its status. If you have not caught the build video, check it out. I'll put a link for the video, or actually it's probably up here. Make sure to check that out for the build of this bracket. But as you can see, this is the bracket that I made actually last year, used an entire season, and it helped save my vinyl windows. I'm now going to go in and install it just so you can see how it installs, because last time I don't think I had a good video showing its installation. So the first step is remove the screen. Once that's literally and figuratively out of the way, you can install the air conditioner like normal. And then we'll add this bracket in just a second. So watch out for these finger slicers on the back. They call them something else, but I'm pretty sure that's what they are, finger slicers. Then I just grab this front lip. I lower the window down just so it catches it. And at this moment you're going, wait, you made the bracket to save your window. That's correct. I'll actually be installing the bracket in just a second. Now for the installation, the air conditioner lip that usually catches on the window will catch here on the angle iron instead of the vinyl window. So how I do that is I just push down the front to pull the air conditioner in. And then I can slide that down so the angle iron catches the air conditioning unit. And then you can go and fasten your sides in place, put foam in, whatever you want to do at this point. Now an added feature is this piece of wood. It just slides in here to make sure that the window cannot open further. Now you have to watch out for your strings so you don't snag those or damage them. There you go, the window cannot open further. Quick upgrade you can do to make this better: add foam around here and here, add some felt or fabric between this wood and your trim just to help protect it. But that's a quick update you can do, or upgrade you can do to help improve this design further. So let me know in the comments if you have any ideas to improve on this, or if you've tried this, or any other thing. I would just love to hear from you guys. Subscribe, thumbs up, would all be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in future videos. Bye.